First, we should prepare the tools that we need. Phillips head screwdriver, multi-screwdriver, anti-static wrist strap, and anti-static mat. Here are the different ports at the back of system unit. The first one is mouse port. Next is the keyboard port, audio port, DVI port, VGA port, then lastly, power cord port. First, in disassembling a system unit, we'll remove the computer case by pressing down the two buttons. Then after that, pull down the computer case slowly. After we proceed, we will introduce you first the different parts of system unit. PSU or power supply unit, expansion card, CPU fan, optical drive and HDD or hard disk drive, different cables. Here are the steps in disassembling system unit. First, you should discharge first, using the anti-static wrist strap for about 3 to 5 minutes. Gently remove the expansion card and put in the anti-static mat. Remove the SATA cable in the optical drive and then remove the optical drive. After you remove it, put it in anti-static mat. Remove also the SATA cable in hard drive and after that, remove the hard drive. After you remove it, put it in anti-static mat. Press the two buttons down on the left and the right side of the RAM. After that, remove the RAM by holding it from the left and the right side by your index finger. Then put it in anti-static mat and plug all the SATA cable. And plug the HDD cable. Remove all the cables and put it in static mat. Unplug the cable of CPU fan. Unplug the power supply cable. Unplug the audio cable. Remove all the screw by using Phillips screwdriver. Remove the power supply and put it in static mat. Reassemble the power supply. And return again the screws. Return again all the wires that you remove in the system unit. Return the hard drive. Plug the hard hard drive cable. Return the optical drive. Plug the SATA cable to the optical drive. Plug all the SATA cable and audio cable. Plug the cable of the CPU fan. Return the RAM by pressing it using your two thumbs. Return the expansion card. And last, return the case of the system unit.